issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Will County in northeast Illinois, northern Jasper County in northwest Indiana, Lake County in northwest Indiana, northern Newton County in northwest Indiana, Porter County in northwest Indiana, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:36 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Herscher to Gilman and moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bourbonnais, Kankakee, Bradley, Manteno, Piatone, Momence, Morocco, Ennis, Conrad, Cedar Lake, Lake Village, St. John, Lowell, Schermerville, Crown Point, Dare, Griffith, Sumab Resorts, Roselawn and Fair Oaks. Other locations affected: Ileana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Indiana University Northwest, Kankakee Community College, Kankakee County Fairgrounds, Speedway, Kankakee River State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.